Okay, so let's move on to the next question, which says that we should find the integral of the x over x squared plus 1. So we have four options. The first option is log of x minus 1 over x plus 1 plus c. Option B is 1 over 2 log open bracket x minus 1 times open bracket x plus 1 plus c. Option C is 1 over 2 log of open bracket x minus 1 over x plus 1 plus c. And option D is x minus 1 over x plus 1 plus c. So let's integrate this and see which of the option is the correct answer. So let's begin. So solving this, we have the integral of the x over x squared plus 1. The denominator here, which is x squared plus 1. This we can take what we call the difference of two squares, and this becomes x plus 1 times x minus 1. So we're going to replace this x squared plus 1 with this. So now it now becomes integral of the x over x plus 1 x minus 1. So now this becomes the integral open bracket a over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 1, close this bracket, the x. So this is equal to 1 over x plus 1 times x minus 1. This is equal to a over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 1. From this, we have that 1 is equal to a open bracket x minus 1 plus b open bracket x plus 1. So we have 1 equals to a open bracket x minus 1 plus b open bracket x plus 1. So from here, let's put x equals to 1. Put x equals to 1 into this expression. So we're going to have 1 is equal to a open bracket. So this is x minus 1 becomes 1 minus 1. So this is going to be 1 minus 1 plus b open bracket x plus 1. Now x is going to be 1 plus 1. So here we have 1 plus 1. So 1 is equal to a open bracket. 1 minus 1 gives us 0. So a is automatically 0 plus b open bracket 2. So we have 1 is equal to 2b. So b is equal to 1 over 2. So what this means is that when we substituted the value of x to be equals to 1, we got our b to be 1 over 2. Now let's substitute x to be equals to minus 1. So 1 is equal to a open brackets. Now our x becomes, here we have minus 1 plus b open bracket minus 1 plus 1. So here is 1 is equal to a open bracket minus 2 plus b open bracket 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So here b becomes 0. So we have 1 is equals to minus 2a. So our a is equals to minus 1 over 2. So when we substitute x equals to minus 1, we get the value of a is equals to, when we, so when we substitute the value of x is equals to minus 1, we get the value of a is equals to minus 1 over 2. So let's continue from here. Now we have the values for a and b. Now we have that the integral open bracket a over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 1. Okay, so now let's substitute in the answers we have here. So here we are going to have equal to the integral of, now our a is now minus 1 over 2. So this becomes minus 1 over 2. Then we have our x plus 1 here. Then plus b. Now the b is 1 over 2. So this is 1 over 2 open bracket x minus 1. Close the brackets here. So we have the x here. So let's not forget the x. So now we are going to integrate this now. We are going to have the integral of minus 1 over 2 open bracket x plus 1 dx plus the integral of 1 over 2 open bracket x minus 1 dx. Okay, so from here, this is the same thing as, let's bring this minus 1 over 2 out here. So we have minus 1 over 2 integral of 1 over x plus 1 dx plus here 1 over 2 integral of 1 over x minus 1 dx. Here we have minus 1 over 2. Integral of 1 over x plus 1 gives us the value of log of x plus 1. Okay? Plus 1 over 2. The integral of 1 over x minus 1 is going to be log of x minus 1. So we had our constants. So from here we can take the common factors. The common factors here is 1 over 2. So we're going to take 1 over 2, open brackets. So here becomes log of x plus 1. So this minus affect this plus sign here. This becomes minus log of x minus 1. Okay, then plus c. So from here, this is the same thing as say 1 over 2, open brackets, log of x plus 1. So this becomes divided by x minus 1 plus the constant. So this is our final answer. So the final answer is 1 over 2 log of x plus 1 over x minus 1 plus c. So let's check the options and see which one is correct. So looking at the 4 options, the correct option with what we have solved is option C, which is 1 over 2 log of x plus 1 over x minus 1 plus c. So this is all we have today for today's class. Kindly send in your questions and we'll take it up from there. Okay, thank you for watching, my viewers. I remain your pro guide, Aisha Bende. Bye for now.